foodies, welcome to Foodland. Here is the delicious summer special mango milkshake. Here you go. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Very easy, very simple, and of course this is summer special, so mango is there and vanilla ice cream is there. So let's get going with the ingredients. For this summer special yummy mango milkshake, we need 1 cup of mango pulp, 1 cup of chilled milk, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, 7 to 8 ice cubes, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is optional, and some dry fruits for garnishing. This is, I've taken pistachios, almonds, and some saffron strands. Alright, so let's add some ice cubes, mango pulp, milk, and cardamom powder. This is optional, as I said before, and 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. I'm going to save about 2 to 3 tablespoons here just for garnishing later. So let's blend this together. Mango milkshake is ready. Let's add it. Look how thick is this, with the vanilla ice cream and mango. Look at this, beautiful. So I haven't added any sugar in it because mango pulp and vanilla ice cream have some sugar, but if you want, you can add some, like couple tablespoons of sugar. I haven't added because I like lightly sweet. Alright, so let's get garnishing. So as I said, just save 1 or couple tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Just beat this like this and top it up just like that. Alright, look at this, beautiful. Our mango milkshake is ready. And here you go, how gorgeous this looks. Oh my god. So this is very tempting and delicious mango milkshake ready for you. Alright, so let's move on to the next drink, which is cold coffee. Let's get started with the ingredients. For this easy, delicious cold coffee, we need 7 to 8 cubes of ice, any choice of your coffee, then 1 to 2 cups of milk, vanilla ice cream, and some sugar to taste. Nothing much here, just simply add everything in the blender, blend it for 2 minutes, and your cold coffee is ready. Alright, so let's add some ice, about 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, about 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add plain sugar as well. This is the raw organic sugar. Some milk, and of course some vanilla ice cream. It's about 2 scoops here. Let's blend it well for about 2 minutes and done. Voila, it's ready. Look at this, how frothy is this? Wow, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Who wants to drink this hot coffee in the summer? Let's drink some cold coffee. Yummalicious. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. You can add some a scoop of vanilla ice cream on this. And here you go. This is the yummy cold coffee, one of my favorite drinks. So enjoy and see you next time. I have also shared the cold coffee along with this, so enjoy that flavor as well. So thank you for visiting Foodland again, and thank you for watching my recipes. I will see you next time with another recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay cool. See you next time. Bye.